Ground Theory is a joint venture between AirAsia, Berhad and SATS in Singapore. We want to be the leader for airport and cargo ground handling in ASEAN. Well, we are different from other ground handling because we have the people who believe in technologies that drives them further in terms of efficiency and reliability. For your information, we are the first ground handling to implement dashboard in Asia. This will be soon integrated with machine learning that will optimize the passenger management to save their time to their connecting flights. We were introduced to Alibaba Cloud through our parent company, AirAsia. And we need Alibaba to help us on the infrastructure management and also to migrate some of the on-prem system over to the cloud. And we wanted emerging technology and infrastructure changes and transformation, and most importantly, innovation and digital transformation. Alibaba Cloud gave me the best of its people to drive technology transformation with us. The working experience with them is very outstanding because they pick up my call regardless of what time, and then they will attend within half an hour. The solution provided by them is absolutely fantastic. Well, moving forward with Alibaba Cloud, we want to see a solution that can secure our business, and most importantly is more simplified, and of course tighter collaboration to utilize our innovation in our ground handling business.